Hello, my name is Anita Jung. I'm the President-elect of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis, and it is my honor today to invite you to attend my workshop that is called Soulful Vibrations, Musical Rhythms in Hypnosis. The workshop focuses on attuning to your own rhythm and attuning to your client's rhythm in session so that you can inspire a sense of curiosity, that you can inspire lasting change. And it can be so easily done. For instance, the moment a physician puts a stethoscope on the patient's chest and immediately can hear the patient's rhythm, the heartbeat, the pulse, and is fully attuned to the rhythm of that patient. Wouldn't it be nice if you could learn how to add rhythm to the way you speak, to your voice, in order to evoke images of calm and well-being, in order to inspire creativity, not just in your patient or in your client, but also in yourself. You will also learn how to use music as a co-therapist in session, so that you can feel inspired and rejuvenated, that you can leave a session and feel renewed and then go into another session being fully attuned to that client or that patient right after you had a session. When you come to the ASCH Annual Scientific Meeting and Workshops in Reno, Nevada on March 19th to 22nd, you will encounter many luminaries in hypnosis. There are luminaries such as Bill O'Hanlon, Bernhard Tränkle from Germany, Gabor Philo, a dentist, or Steve Langton, who will all be giving plenaries that can inspire you to find those nuances of creativity and flow in hypnotic applications, which is actually the title of the ASCH annual meeting. You will be able to attend a basic workshop in hypnosis. You can attend the intermediate workshops in hypnosis, and of course many advanced workshops, and a new level 3 training in hypnosis that will expand your skills. So please come to Reno. This is Anita Jung, President-elect of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis, and I will see you in Reno.